Hey, John Crestani here. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can use a site that has 37 million artists on there, and you can message them and sell them products and make money without placing any ads, without requiring any software, without requiring any product, without having to do any consulting or sales or any of that jazz. I'm going to show you a really simple method on my computer how you can get started in affiliate marketing and start earning your first commissions. This works anywhere in the world. This works no matter what age you are. In fact, at the very end of this video, I'm gonna give you a special bonus, which is templates to do exactly what I'm showing you how to do in this video so that you can literally copy paste. Although my most successful students, they modify the script that I give them. So let's get on my computer here. Okay, so here we are on a website called DeviantArt.com, and this is a smaller site, 37 million people. That's roughly the population of Spain or Italy right there. All artists, okay? So all artists, and you can talk to them, message them, and sell them products. Now I'm gonna show you how you can do this in just a second here, but this is the site that we're going to be working with. And as you see, there's a lot of really cool art and graphics and stuff. I mean, well, this one's kind of funny, but a lot of cool stuff. I actually have bought quite a bit of art from this site that I hang around my house. I'll be showing you how you can make up to $100 to $500 per day doing this method. This is really easy. Freaking easy, so please put this into effect. Again, you don't have to have a product, you don't have to do any consulting, you don't have to offer them any agency services where you have to support them, or you're not going to be fielding any of that stuff. You're just going to be doing affiliate marketing and offering them products they already want. To start, we need to join a few affiliate networks to find products or to get links to promote. Now, I suggest there are links down in the description. And the affiliate networks that I recommend for this is a couple, okay? And I recommend you join all. I'm going to be using the last one as the example here, though. ShareASale. ShareASale is a very large affiliate network with a lot of major brands, Land's End, and all these really famous, big brands that you can sell products from. There's art supply companies in there, etc. So great affiliate network right there. Next one is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. And what I like about this one is they give you recurring commissions. Almost all of their products on their network allow you to get recurring commissions, and if you get 100 customers, you end up getting a dream car. And 100 customers, just to give you an idea, that's when you reach $4,000 a month. So when you reach the level of making $4,000 a month, which means you get 100 customers, which you're making about $40 per month per customer, then they'll pay your car for you for free. So it's kind of like a cool bonus there. You get both, basically like get a full-time income, and you're getting a free car on top of that. So really cool stuff. And you get access to go to their events with free tickets to their events, which I've gone to. They're amazing. Next one is MaxWeb. It's a fast-growing affiliate network focused on digital products. I've used them. Another one is Digistore. So Digistore is a very international affiliate network. They just expanded to the US. They have tons of products on their platform. It's run by some guy in a man bun. Let me show you this guy. It's run by this guy, Sven. They're based out of Germany. They're the biggest affiliate network in Germany, and they're fast doing a Panzer tank blitzkrieg of the American affiliate marketing scene. I don't know if that's like not politically correct or something. By the way, if you care about political correctness on this channel, please unsubscribe. You're not wanted here. Next is ClickBank. So ClickBank is the network that I'm going to be going over and using in our examples. So once you've signed up for all of these networks, or specifically ClickBank, you'll want to go to the affiliate marketplace, and you're just going to go down to the e-business and e-marketing category right there. We're going to get our links. So get a link for this program, Super Affiliate System. Right there, this is my product, so we are 50-50 partners. You get a sale, I give you 50%, I get 50%. So you get 500, I get 500. You will go in here, you'll create a link, you'll take your link, you'll copy it, you'll throw it into Bitly. I'm zooming through this. Please let me know in the comments if it helps showing how to get your affiliate links all over again, or if you just are tired of seeing me show you how to get affiliate links. But we're gonna paste our affiliate link in there, right there, and shorten it, copy it, and now we have our affiliate link, okay? For reference, I put the links right here so that we have, our long link from ClickBank and we have our short link from Bitly. I just open up a notepad and keep my stuff handy for when I need to use it, because we'll need to come back and use our link a little bit later. Okay, so now we go to DeviantArt.com, and you'll need to sign in to DeviantArt, and you can sign in right there or join if you haven't joined. It's a free site. All of this is free, by the way. There's nothing that requires any money. You can do this no matter what age or no matter what country you are based in. Now, for some people, I think Pakistanis and North Koreans and Zimbabweans, you can't join ClickBank, right? But you can join another affiliate network, one of those others that will allow you to get money. So I already joined, so I'm just gonna sign in. Largest art community in the world. I don't know if you saw that, but it's really cool stuff here. And in fact, I actually spend hours looking through art. One thing you may not know about me is I actually grew up in West LA, around Santa Monica. Around the entertainment scene. So basically all of the people that lived around me were somehow involved. All the parents were in the music industry or the film industry or the TV industry, or they were artists. So the community I grew up around, Santa Monica, Venice Beach, etc., was very artistic. And I went to a middle school and a high school that was focused on the arts. It was called Crossroads. And a lot of people that went there were artists, and throughout high school I always took art classes. They required it every semester. I focused in on film. I also did pottery. I liked working with my hands. I was never good at drawing, but I always had an interest in art, and I had a lot of friends involved in art. So it's been kind of a part of my life. I really enjoy art. I enjoy music, and I enjoy film, and it's just kind of ironic. I never believed I was going to get into anything film related outside of high school or college, because the industry was collapsing when I was growing up. It was actually very hard. It was hard for my family. It was hard for a number of other families in the high school I grew up with, because I was in high school and college in the time that Napster came about and just destroyed the music industry's business model. Also around that same time, reality TV shows came about. They took down and they just cut down a lot of the TV industry and a lot of the people working in TV. And a lot of TV shows also moved to different cities like Vancouver or Atlanta or Austin while I was growing up. And a lot of dads were left without jobs, or they were left with less work, because a lot of the work is based on if there are shows, because it's, you'll work for 4 months or 3 months on a show, and then you'll take a month or two off, and then you work a couple months on a show. So I grew up and I saw all this instability in the industry, and it freaked me out, honestly. And it may have even created this drive in me to make money, because there was so much instability around me. And I never believed I would be doing anything involved with film, because I had decided I was going to run an internet business, because that was where the money was, that was where the growth was, that was where the business models were. But ironically enough, I'm back on YouTube and I'm talking about artists, but this time we're selling them, and I'm going to show you how you can make some money from them. So let's get into this. Okay, now how we're gonna go about this is we're gonna open up a lot of images here. So I'm just gonna use Control Click, or you can do Open in New Tab right there. So Control Click is a kind of a short key to open up a lot of new tabs whenever you click. So I'm just gonna do Control Click, Control Click, Control Click, Control Click, Control Click. And you can add as many things as you want. Again, I'm just using this as an example to show you. This will be a lot faster when you do it on your own. So here we are, and we see that this is a photo. It's been viewed, 42 times today, for instance. We can do a few things here. So we can actually message all of these people. So you see super snappers, okay? And we can mouse over them and send them a note, okay? Or send them a message. Now I could also click on their profile, click send note here, okay? And it will appear in their inbox. Now, if this user has been posting images lately, it means they use the site a lot. And what's great is when we send them a note, there's a few things that happen. One is they will get a message on DeviantArt. Two is that they will get a message on their mobile phone if they're using the app. And three is that they will get a message via email. So we get 3 ways to contact this person, and they're gonna check our message because they're using the site. All we need to know now is what to write to them to get them to buy something. We want to offer them something that can be useful to them. Now in this case, we're offering them my marketing program, which teaches you how to start an online business using affiliate marketing. Okay, it's my 6-week course which takes people from beginner to expert in affiliate marketing. And this is great for people like artists or creatives or photographers, graphic designers, website designers, because they have the creative skills to really utilize this business model and create, you know, good ads and what have you to be super successful. So we're going to message them and we're going to give them an opportunity to make extra money. And most artists don't make a lot of money. It's kind of sad. Some of the most creative people don't have an outlet to really make a lot of money from their creativity. We're going to help them out and we're going to give them that opportunity. You see, I brought up a file right here, which has a number of free traffic methods listed in it. Now, if you want to go into each of these free traffic methods, you can actually check out, I'll have a playlist linked somewhere around here that you can check out other free traffic methods. Make sure you go through this first and take action. And if you are committed to taking action, type in, "Give me that art money," or type in, "Give me that money, John," however you want to say it, but give me that money and set that intention, because the more you set the intention, the more you keep your eye on the ball and focus, you are going to get it and you are going to become successful. So here we are in the message template, and what we're going to send them is we're actually going to go to my template file right here, and you'll see a bunch of free traffic methods. You can go through all of these after this video and after you implement this. And if you are committed to implementing this, type in "I'm in the comments below, because I want to see you're ready and raring to go. We have a lot of money methods here, and people, these all freaking work. I want you to make money, because if you make money, I make money, we both make money, and it, you know, we're just happier people, right? We get to do cooler things. Let's click on DeviantArt right here, and then you'll get down to the templates, which says the headline and the message template. And we'll copy the headline, which says, "Hey," and then we will copy this message template. And it's just an example. Again, keep in mind, a lot of people watch my videos, 10,000 people or so. If you are sending the same message as everybody else, and first off, all of my students combined cannot talk to 37 million people, okay? Nobody's gonna send out that many messages, so the market is completely unsaturated. Nobody's doing this, nobody's learning this. You gotta hop on this as soon as possible. But that being said, you should test new messages and use different bit.ly links to track your different messages. I'm not gonna go too deep into that because we have only a little bit of time here today and nobody's interested in learning about optimization or split testing. Trust me, I've released videos, I've delisted them because nobody likes them. But check it out. So I post my thing in there, subject, hey, I love your art, especially that autumn photos you posted. So notice I have misspellings in here. Notice I am not using proper grammar, punctuation. Why? Can anybody guess why? The reason is, and try to think of a guess. Why am I not using proper grammar, punctuation, or spelling? Okay? Take a guess for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The reason is because normal people do not use normal grammar, spelling, or punctuation. So would you rather be talking to a normal person or a robot, right? Or a marketer, even worse. A lot of marketers use proper grammar, spelling, punctuation. A lot of robots use proper spelling, grammar, punctuation. Normal people do not use proper grammar, spelling, punctuation. So you want to come across as a normal person because you are a normal person and have a real product to offer people. So we replaced what's in that thing, and now we see it says link right here. So again, we are going to replace the word link with our actual links, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm just going to remove this and paste it in. Now we've got our message and we've got our thing, and all we have to do is we have to go right here and click send, and boom, you get fast at this and you start moving along, okay, right? Because you can do this all day long. Send note, then I do hey, and then we just showing you how fast this can go. We go boom, boom, especially the last bird one. And then we replace our link with the link, and we are on a roll. See, so we're going, and you can send out maybe about 200 of these an hour. Just to give you an idea, 200 of these an hour. That's about 200 link clicks per hour. And keep in mind, these messages are showing up 3 places for them: email, phone notification, and on DeviantArt itself. So you're sending out basically 600 messages per hour, and the more you can send out, the more money you can make, because you're offering these people, these starving artists, these poor starving artists, a way to make money online. But keep in mind, most starving artists actually have some money. Most starving artists come from, like, all right families. That's how they can afford to, do art and learn art and go to art school. So they have money, they just don't have much of an income. So send out all those messages, go through it. A little bonus method is you can post the links in the comments itself. And you can use some of my standard message templates up here. Use whatever message templates you want. This blessing is all yours. Now, this isn't a very well written one. You can probably do better than this, but this is a message that works, and we can post it in the comments. Boom. So we got our links out there. You saw 2 ways to get out your links. You can get out 600 links an hour with this method. You can make a lot of money. Again, with ClickBank, you'll be making $500 when you get your first sale, and man, is it sweet. It is the most amazing thing when you first see that first commission get sent to your ClickBank account, and you will see those ClickBank commissions show up right here in your daily sales snapshot right when you log into ClickBank. You can learn more about, if you're getting clicks and whatnot by searching and reporting, and they will either mail you a check or they will wire transfer money to your bank account. But either way, it's an amazing feeling when you get that first commission. But what you have to do is you have to be focused and you have to keep posting links. And there may be obstacles. If there is a message limit on DeviantArt, let me know in the comments if you come across a message limit, and share with the rest of the community. I'm trying to build a community here. We can all help each other. Maybe DeviantArt only allows you to send out 50 messages an hour or 500 messages a day. Let others know in the comments so that we can all help each other grow our incomes with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you succeed and make a lot of money. But what you need to do is you need to be serious. If you're watching this video on a mobile phone, more than likely you're not doing anything. Okay? You're not going to do anything. So don't be one of those people. And if you are one of those people, please unsubscribe. These videos are not for entertainment purposes. These videos are for making money. Look forward to seeing you in future videos. Check out my other playlist, Free Traffic Methods. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of when my next videos are released. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.